In Pali, walking meditation is known as caṅkama. The aim is to focus and calm the mind by concentrating only on the legs and feet while walking. Put your hands together in front of you. Focus on your leg as you lift it up. Focus on your leg as you move it forward. Focus on your leg as you put it down. Lift, forward, down. Lift, forward, down. Repeat each step in 3 parts. Lift, forward, and down. Focus your mind only on your legs. If your mind begins to wander, take it back to your legs. Make a mental note of each 3-part step. Lift, forward, down. Stay focused on the contact point, your legs and feet. Walking meditation is most effective when practiced in a quiet place with limited distractions.